Yes, someone put a question on the comment section. I believe his mic is not working. It was Jordan, I think.
Yes, go ahead, please.
It says, can you Kasher utensils with a blowtorch?
Yes, you can. Okay, so we're going to learn about Kasher, but if these utensils were used only for with something of heat, right? If it's and only with like pots, for example, let's be practical, right? So if you're talking about pots that were used for cooking, soup, whatever you were cooking, right? So and you want a kosher to, or it was used for non-kosher food, let's say. So you have to kosher through the immersing them in a boiling water in a bigger pot. You have to bring it to the boiling, and then you dip your pot that you want to kosher. Of course, it has to be clean. It has to stand 24 hours clean, 24 hours, and only after that you can kosher it. So there is no torch needed. The torch is needed only when torch is needed only with the frying pans. With the frying pans, like that were used only with minimal amount of oil. That's the thing. But it says clearly, even I know these clowns do it like this torch, and that's it. It's done. Like these torches, it's for circus, right? It says clearly in Shulchan Aruch, it has to be glowing red. That's how much you have to like applies this heat. So in my like it's so dangerous. It's so dangerous. So I would say don't do it. And plus, all of these frying pans that we use today, they have this Teflon things. If you try to use it, if you use this what is it torch, you're going to spoil this the layer of Teflon or some other like layers. It's going to ruin. So in these cases, I would say just buy new ones and that's it. But if you have this like whatever they call it, steelite or something like this cast metal, right? The heavy ones, the real ones. Yes, those you can actually do with the torch, but I'm not sure like how much gas you're going to spend on it. Like today, everything is so cheap, so it's not worth it. It's too dangerous. Okay, so whenever you do like this, it's so like I don't know. Maybe people see fire, then get mesmerized or something, but it's not the halacha. Okay. What else? And knife for knife there is a special caution. We have to stick in the ground for 10 times. But we're going to get into the knives. It's a separate. I think for knife it's separate section. Of course, I summarized, but it's only 10 times. But there's other conditions as well. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Rabbi.